Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see your recent orders on TikTok. So if you want to see your recent orders on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you want to first go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here on the For You page at the top, find Shop. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the TikTok Shop and will show you all the products that are for sale. Now, if you want to see your recent orders on TikTok, go ahead and swipe left just below the search and you'll be able to see all these buttons here. Now, from this menu here, you need to find orders. Go ahead and tap on this. And this is all the orders that you've completed in the recent months. So as you can see, I bought a charger, I bought a face massager, a robe, and so on. So these are all my recent orders from TikTok. Now, for those of you who cannot see the TikTok shop, then another way of accessing your recent orders is by going to Profile, tapping on the three lines at the top right, tap on Settings and Privacy, then from here, go ahead and tap on Your Orders. Now, once you do this, this will basically show you all the items that you've ordered. So if I tap on View All, and as you can see, it's showing me all the orders that I've done from TikTok. So there you go, guys. That is how to see your recent orders on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.